maganda na sana yung gising namin ngayong umaga. Pagdating namin dito, sobrang lakas ng hangin, but it's okay. We managed to eat well and sleep well. May mga kasabay kaming taga Alas Asin, no? Taga dito lang sila, mga locals, umakyat din sila. And they had tents na hindi kaya yung hangin, but nakatulog rin naman sila. And hindi ko sinasabing bawal umakyat yung mga ibang tao. Pero sana, kung aakit kayo, alagaan nyo naman yung nature. Dito sila kung saan ako nakatayo, dito sila nag-pitch ng tent nila. At nag-iwan sila ng mga basura. So yan yung iniwan nilang basura. Hindi lang yan. Iniwan na nila ito. At meron pa doon. At yung nakakairita, yung ito, dito ako natulog. Tapos, syempre tinambak talaga nila sa gilid ng tent namin yung itong napakalaking plastic bag na ginagamit nila bilang rainfly ng tent nila kasi pang beach lang yung tent nila, so walang panangga laban sa ulan, ano. So iniwan nila dito, no. So nakakainis, nakakairita na sana man lang mayroon silang pag-aalala at care para sa kalikasan na tulad ng maraming tao. Hindi lang namin sinasabi na exclusive to sa AMC, pero ibang klase, ang dugyot dito, ang kalat dito, nakakainis. At dito kami natulog ni Jerry. Hi Jerry.
Hello.
So dito kami natulog, yung labas ng tent namin puro basura. In fact, yung bag ko may tsokolate sa side pocket. Kinain yung tsokolate at binutas yung bag ko. Papakita ko sa inyo. Akala namin naka-recover na yung tarak dahil sa tagal ng walang tao dito, pero tinan mo. Ito, nadatnan namin dito kagabi. Ay my God, nag-iwan talaga sila ng bagong basura. Oh my God. So this is what happened to my bag because of all these people leaving behind all these things. Trash, food, rats have come to Tarak Ridge, and the rats found my M&Ms through my side pocket. So ayan ang nangyari. So a rat ate through my bag. And this is brand new. I just got this last November. This is only the 3rd time it's been on. So yan siya. I feel awful, pero it's not covered by warranty, but you know, yan yung effect because people are so careless and they don't care. Whew. So I'm ready to trek, just waiting for my companions. Nahangin dito, sobrang lakas. Just a few thoughts. Kami, sometimes we joke about why we go outdoors. Ang sinasabi namin lagi, para lang makapag-inom kami sa ibang venue naman, hindi sa bahay, hindi sa bundok. So kung yun yung reason namin, even if it's a joke, it's partially true. I think some people, the reason they go out here, they climb mountains, is para magkalat. Kasi medyo, I think I have to correct myself. I thought nag-heal na yung Tarak, no, after months of quarantine. Pero hindi pa pala. May mga locals na maakyat. Unfortunately, they're not briefed on the finer points of taking care of the environment. So, iwan sila ng basura. Wala silang pakialam. Kahit na buwabalik sila dito, they don't find it ugly. They don't find it disgusting, and that's really sad because this is in their backyard. Taga dito sila, so why would they want to destroy something so beautiful that you can find just, you know, behind your house? So ako talaga nalulungkot at medyo naiinis din, to be honest.
Gusto ko din pa kayong akin eh.
So ganito, ito yung makalat naming kitchen kanina. Pero tinan mo, it's spick and span. Maybe even better than when we found it kanina. So, malinis siya. And this is really how you should treat places where you feel alive. So sacred sa amin ang bundok, and playground din namin to. We really enjoy coming here. Diba, John?